Hello guys, welcome to Tex here. We're back with another video on best smartphones under 30,000 for PUBG streaming. As we all know, people are going crazy for battle royale game and PUBG in top. I have made this video on your demand as most are asking for a budget streaming smartphone, so I thought I should make a video on that. So without doing any delay, let's start the video. So on number 8 we have Vivo V17 Pro, released in 2019, having 6.44-inch display with 1080 pixel HD screen resolution and incredible 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. V17 Pro comes with Snapdragon 675 and Android 9 to give you best gaming experience. Not only that, V17 Pro has non-removable LiPo 4100 mAh battery. Though it doesn't support fast charging, but you will be able to do smooth streaming. Right now, the price of the V17 Pro is Rs 25,190 on Amazon. So next on our list we have Realme X2. Released on September 2019, Realme X2 comes with 6.4 inches display and 1080 pixel HD screen resolution. With Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, Realme X2 is equipped with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. With Qualcomm Snapdragon 730Z and Android 9 upgradable to Android 10, you'll have incredible gaming experience. Realme X2 is tagged with the price of Rs 19,000 and is available on Amazon and Flipkart. On number 6 we have Samsung Galaxy S17s. Released in 2019, Galaxy S70s is powered with Snapdragon 675 with Android 9. Galaxy S70s comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with 6.7 inches display. With 1080 pixel HD screen resolution, this phone is dope. It even have 4500 mAh battery with incredible 25W fast charging. Galaxy S70s is made to give you with best ever gaming experience as it is so high in features and low in price. You can easily purchase this phone through Amazon and Flipkart in unbelievable 28,000 rupees. Number 5 we have Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is the latest smartphone from the developer, released in May 2020, powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720Z with Android 10. Is one of the best budget gaming phone. Note 10 Pro Max comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. With 6.67 inches display and 1080 pixel HD screen resolution, Note 9 is the beast. It is powered by unbelievable 520 mAh battery supporting fast charging 33W, which can provide 50% of power in just 30 minutes of charging. Not only features, but the price of this smartphone is unbelievable. You can easily purchase this phone with only Rs 19,000 on Amazon or Flipkart. On number 4 we have Poco X2. With a Snapdragon 730Z and a 64MP quad camera, there's hardly any competition for Poco X2 for now. It's hands down one of the fastest smartphones you can buy right now. With 6.67 inches display and screen resolution of 1080 pixel HD and 120Hz refresh rate, your game will be real smooth. Released in February 2020, Poco X2 can record 4K videos at the rate 30 frames per second through main camera. Poco X2 is available with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and also with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. You can buy this beast for just Rs 21,000 on Flipkart. On number 3 we have Xiaomi Redmi K20 released on June 2019 with 6.39 inches display and 1080 pixel HD screen resolution and power with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 is the best budget smartphones for Pubg streaming. Xiaomi K20 is equipped with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It can record 4K video at a rate 30 frames per second through main camera. Xiaomi K20 has on-door display fingerprint sensor and smooth design. It is powered with non-removable 4000 mAh LiPo battery and supports 18-watt fast charging. You can easily purchase it from Flipkart for Rupees 25,000. On number 2 we have Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. The Redmi K20 Pro is the most powerful Redmi phone to ever launch in India and is one of the best phones to buy under Rs 30,000. It's an out-and-out flagship smartphone with the Snapdragon 855 under the hood, along with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The AMOLED display is HDR rated and has lower touch latency. It has 6.39 inches display with 1080 pixel HD screen resolution. Believe me, it is the best phone for that. You can purchase for Rs 30,000 on Amazon. On number 1 we have Realme X2 Pro. The Realme X2 Pro is the flagship killer last year. I cannot just believe it as it is powerful, well designed and smooth. The X2 Pro can be compared with Oneplus as it is real high on specification and is the best phone for you in budget. Realme X2 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus with Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen. The 6.5 inches display phone has 1080 pixel HD screen resolution and has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is best for you. Coming to us, the battery X2 Pro comes with non-removable LiPo 4000 mAh battery and with super fast charging 50-watt charger capable of fully charging phone in just 35 minutes as for Realme X2. This is the smoothest and best phone for you and comes with price tag of Rs 31,999 on Flipkart. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and comment down below which of this phone do you think are the best.